this is how you can go to the keyboard settings on your iPhone. So we located the settings app on our device like this as usual, and we're gonna scroll through the menus, and I just want you to click on the general section. In a part of the general, you can scroll down a little bit again and find the keyboard in there. And when you click on a keyboard, you can manage pretty much all of the things regarding the Apple keyboard. So at the top, we have the languages, so you can add a new language to the keyboard. So many languages to scroll through. Right, you can as well click on your English keyboard and choose a different layout. Right, you can see I have plenty other languages in there as well. And in the main keyboards section, there are so many random toggles which you can play with. For example, there is the dictation. Some people like to dictate, so you can enable it in here. Then we have the predictive text, checking of the spelling, and so on. Right, so just play around with these settings and find out exactly how you want to have it. Just keep in mind one distinction here is that I'm talking about the Apple keyboard, the one which is built into the iPhone. But you can download third-party keyboard apps like the Gboard from Google, which you can see that I can easily switch to, and it is like a different app made by Google. So the point is that if you want to change the settings of this type of keyboard, go to the Gboard app, and here are all of the settings which you can change and tweak for it, right? But specifically for the Google one. But that's it. That's essentially everything I wanted to talk about. Definitely subscribe for more, and I'll see you later.